Joe, have you seen the inner parts of a dry cell?
No, Bob, I haven't seen.
Now I will show you the inner parts of a cell.
Okay.
Take an old dry cell. Remove the outer covering like this. Now we can see the inner parts. This is zinc can. It covers the inner parts. Now take out the carbon rod which is placed in the metal. Now cut it and tear up the zinc plate. Now we can see black paste. And inside white paste. This white paste is ammonium chloride. And black paste is manganese dioxide.
Superb, Bob. Now I will give you a task.
Good. What's the task, Joe?
Can you make a cell with these parts?
Interesting task, Joe. Okay, I'll show you how to make our own electric cell.
Is it? Let me see.
Okay, take this carbon rod and zinc plate, lemon, copper wire and a small bulb. Now take this zinc plate and clean it with a sandpaper. Now roll it like a rod, like this. Let's insert these two rods into the lemon. Now connect these wires to a bulb. Observe this.
Wow, you did it, Bob. But how it glows?
In this, lemon juice acts as electrolyte, so it is glowing. Joe, you should be careful because here the two rods do not touch each other inside the lemon.
Okay. Bob, now I will go and do this with my friends. Bye, Bob.
Bye, dear.